Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today see how to crochet this cat nose. Let's crochet first these two circles. As usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Following exactly same pattern, make 2 black circles. How to crochet this cat nose? Needle I am using is 2.5 mm. As usual you will be starting with slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, I will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now I will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Needle I am using is of 2.5 mm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, it is 2.5 mm needle. Okay. Now due to joining those first and last stitch, we get a small tiny circle in between. It is small but it's big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, and please don't take that small free end of the yarn into your stitches. Now starting with 2 chain crochet stitches, then we will yarn over, insert a needle from that tiny circle. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, again we will yarn over, insert a needle from the tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a half double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You people can refer it. It's with written notes, slow demonstration is given. So quite easy to understand. Okay, the way we are making a half double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from that tiny circle, we have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just show you. After completing 4 half double crochet stitches, in the same way we will make 5 double crochet stitches around that small ring of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, we will make 5 double crochet stitches in same way. Yarn over, insert the needle inside the ring, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a double crochet stitch. Okay, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. Almost done. Now after 5 double crochet stitches, we will again make 4 half double crochet stitches. Okay, after 5 double crochet stitches, we will make again 4 double crochets. After 5 double crochet stitches, we will make 4 half double crochet stitches. It is a sandwich like 4 half double crochet stitches, then followed by 5 double crochet stitches, then followed by 4 half double crochet stitches. And once we are done with those 4 half double crochet stitches, just make 2 chain crochet stitches and join the second chain crochet stitch with the ring with the slip stitch. Okay, and in last round just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now that's our final piece. Now this is how a final piece looks like. This we need to stitch upon our cat applique, and when you stitch it, just make a white border to half circle, to both half black circle, and make moustaches. It will look awesome. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And I'll show you. See, this is how it looks on the cat applique. Isn't it good? Cute. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you want to see complete crochet tutorial of this complete cat applique, link is given in description. Those who have already subscribed, thank you. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, and already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel and like, comment and share the video. Thank you. Along with cat applique, you will find Pikachu applique, reindeer applique, cat applique, teddy bear applique, many more are there.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.